Yes, it's true. When Tiff and I went to North Carolina, we hiked to the top of the world, bridged a 1,000-mile gap in our country, time traveled, and stopped a train bombing. But this trip's most important feature by far is this guy. Most of you know him as Stevven Vince, master of the House of Treasure, fifth aristocrat, and regular feature on our live streams. But you all haven't gotten to know Stevven fully. And though I'd like to think I have, this trip has showed me there's a lot more to see. So I think agreeing to meet anyone from the internet is brave, but especially having to meet someone like this.
Hey everybody, it's North Carolina, and we're here in AP.
It definitely shows Stevven's got guts. And just as such, every day was packed with an adventure. From stopping that bomb at an escape room, to our prehistoric escapades at the Science Center, ziplining, and some of the most beautiful views I have ever seen. We even made a little Aeternian history along the way.
You tell me when. You
We did it!
Okay.
We did it! Yeah!
All the way in there.
Let's go!
Unfortunately for you all, the most special parts of the trip were not filmed. This was because though the trip was a big event for us as Aeternians, it was first and foremostly Tiff and I going to meet a friend for the first time in person. And I'll never forget it. The trip concluded with a personal sentiment from Stevven, which shook me to my core. Thank you again to Stevven for giving us such an exciting and meaningful experience. And thank you to you all for following us on this latest step in the birth of our great empire.